Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. This is gonna be the first episode of 2025, so happy new year. Let's get to it. I went on vacation to Indiana for Christmas, so roads are terrible, they have a lot of salt and the truck was filthy. I washed the undercarriage, I washed everything inside and out, but floor mats, they were kind of nasty and I got some new ones for the RAV4 from the company Huida source. And like always, these floor mats, they're not gonna have odor, they're gonna be odorless, they're not gonna crack under low temperatures, they're always gonna keep their form, and they're not gonna scratch easily. Here on the passenger side, this is the floor mat. The way it's made is gonna be easy to clean, and all the stuff like water, snow, dirt, it's gonna stay in it. If you can see, it covers all the way up. On the back, it has a little cut up that is going up, so the dirt and water and everything is not gonna go into the carpet. And here forms well, and it's not gonna move around. Now let's try the driver and then the rear. Driver's side, you lock it in place. Good cut up in there, goes up so you don't damage the carpet. In here goes all the way up so you can rest your foot in there. Forms really well all the way around, goes to the back. Pretty good, a really good design, and they look good too. For the rear, same concept, goes all the way up. In here, you just gotta go down a little bit. Cut up in there is really good, dirt's not gonna go into the carpet. Over here it goes up on the back, and the shape is just perfect for the RAV4. Fits really well all the way around. If you have a RAV4 and you want to get those floor mats, I'm going to leave the link in the description for a set. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.